Let's learn the Vienna Gambit using chess reps. Now, we're going to start with our regular e4, but we're not going to develop our knight and attack the pawn. Instead, we're going to develop our knight to c3 and already protecting our pawn. Because right now, after they develop our knight, just continuing the same thing, we're still going to delay the development of this knight and we're going to play the move bishop to c4. Now, this is called the copycat variation. If you notice, black is just copying exactly what we're doing, but the bishop doesn't guard the g7 square anymore. So now we're able to play the move queen to g4 and attack this g pawn. So obviously they decide that, okay, they're going to save the pawn and they move it to g6. But this is when we move our queen back to f3 and pressure the f7 pawn. And then in this position, a lot of persons going to defend the f7 pawn with their queen or their knight, but we're just going to do our same idea here, which allow the queen trade and play knight d5, which attacks the queen and threaten the fork. Now, after they take, we simply need to just take back the queen first, let them defend the fork with their bishop, and then the best move here is just pawn to d3. We're just going to develop our bishop, but this is where the mistake starts because knight e7 was bad and it gave up control over the f6 square. So now we're going to play the move knight to f6, which checks the king, and he should have actually gone to d8, but because he tried to defend the pawn, bishop to h6 is just a checkmate. So we learned the Vienna Gambit using chess reps.